This video tutorial I will explain uninstalling JDK 17 on Linux operating system. I will walk you through the process of identifying the installation path, removing JDK 17, updating environment variables and verifying the uninstallation. Here you can see Amazon AWS console and here you can see the EC2 instance which is running. Copy this IPv4 address. Using Putty software, log into Amazon EC2 instance. I have successfully logged into Amazon EC2 instance. Open WinSCP. Click on Login to log into Amazon EC2 instance. Step 1 is identify the installation path. Before uninstalling JDK 17, you need to confirm where it is installed. If you installed it manually, it is usually located in out folder or a custom directory. To check the Java installation path, run this command sudo update alternatives config java. This will give the list of different Java versions installed in the Linux operating system and their paths. From that, identify the path of JDK 17, which is something like opt JDK 17. Run this command and here we got the path of JDK 17. It is in out folder. Here you can see out folder. In that JDK 17 is there. Step 2 is remove JDK 17. For that, navigate to installation directory. Navigate to the directory where JDK 17 is installed, which is out folder. Then remove JDK 17 using sudo remove command. This will completely remove the JDK 17 installation. This is the current directory, home EC2 user. We have to go to hot folder. If you see JDK 17 is there, use sudo remove command. If you see JDK 17 is removed. Click on refresh and here also you can see JDK 17 is removed. Step 3 is remove environment variables. For that, you have to open environment variables file, which will be usually profile or bash rc. Then locate JDK 17 related lines like export Java home, export path. That lines you have to remove that or command that. Then save and exit the changes by pressing Ctrl plus X. Then Y to confirm the changes. Then hit enter. Then reload the environment variables by running this command. Open the profile file using this command. Go to the end and remove JDK related lines. Ctrl X. To confirm the changes, press Y. Then press enter. The changes are saved. To reload the environment variables, run this command. Step 4 is update alternatives. Remove Java alternative. If JDK 17 was added to the alternative system, we have to remove using this particular command. Remove Java C alternative. We can remove JDK 17 alternative for Java C using this command. Step 5 is verify uninstallation. For that, we have to run the command java-version. If JDK 17 was the only Java version installed, then this command returns an error message or point to the different Java version if installed. Run this command java-version and we got error message saying command not found. So from this we can confirm JDK 17 is successfully uninstalled. So the conclusion is, by following these steps, you should have successfully uninstalled JDK 17 from your Linux operating system. If you need to switch to another JDK version, you can install it and update your Java home and alternatives accordingly. Regular like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.